Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's continue from where we left off in the previous session.
So now let's do the question number 2 from the exercise 4.3, and out of that let's do the question number 1. 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. Here what we have to find is that we have to find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. They are telling that the condition is that the number of the nature of the root is that two equal roots will be there. That means what? D, which is equal to b square minus 4ac, this value should be equal to 0. In this condition, we can tell that what if this value is equal to 0, then we can tell that they are having equal root. Okay, so that means what? In this equation, 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. Here, what we can do, here a equal to what? 2, b equal to k, and c equal to 3. How? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the general equation, right? Therefore, a equal to 2, b equal to k, and c equal to 3. Now we need to substitute this in the equation. That is, there we have to equate in a such a way that b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. That is, what is the b here? K square minus 4 into 2 into 3 equal to this value we should equate to 0. Then that means k square minus 4 to the 8. 8 3 is a 24 equal to 0, right? That means k square equal to 24. Then therefore k equal to what? K equal to root of 24. Right? How now what we have to do? Now let us factorize the 24. That is, on dividing by 2 we will get 12. Again by 2 means we will get 6. Then again by 2 means we will get 3. Then again we can only divide it by 3. That means this is equal to root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, right? That is, root 2 into root 2 will give us 2. So remaining what is left over? 2 root 6 is left over. Therefore, k equal to what? Plus or minus 2 root 6. Okay, this is the value of k. Clear? Now let's do the question number 2. Our question is kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. This is the second question. Okay. Now what we have to do here, we have to open up the bracket and we have to expand the equation. That is, kx into x minus kx into 2 plus 6 equal to 0. That is, kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. Then our general equation is what? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. From here we can write that a equal to what? A equal to k, b equal to minus 2k, and c equal to 6. B equal to, how we are getting this minus 2k? We have to include sign, we have to take this one. Okay, so that means b equal to what? Minus 2k, c equal to 6. This we got. Now we need to substitute in the equation. They are telling, the question is that they are telling that we are having what? Two equal root. Again, we have to take, like in the case of the equal root means b square minus 4ac should become equal to 0. That is, our b is minus 2k the whole square minus 4 into k into 6, which is equal to how much? It is equal to 0. Okay, that means 4k square minus 6 4s are 24k equal to 6. We can take the k commonly outside here, right? That is, if I am taking 4k commonly outside, I am getting k minus 6 4s are 24. So 6 is left over here. That is, I can write 4k equal to 0. Therefore, what? K equal to 0. From here I can equate 4k equal to 0, as well as in the next step I can also equate k minus 6 is equal to 0. From here I can write that k equal to 6. Thus we got what? Two values for k. Therefore k equal to 0 and k equal to 6. Okay. But we will reject this k equal to 0 because why? They are here in the question they are already telling what b square minus 4ac if it is equal to 0 means the condition is that the root will be what? Root will be equal root, right? Therefore we are rejecting the we will reject k equal to 0 because otherwise it will lead to some contradictions. Okay. Now let's do the question number 3. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove whose length is twice its breadth? They are telling the length is equal to what? Twice its breadth. So, length is equal to 2 times what? Breadth. It is given in the question. Then they are telling what? Area equal to how much? Area equal to 800 meters square. Okay, so let me consider here. Let breadth is equal to x. Breadth of mango groove be x meter. Then I can write what? Therefore, length will be equal to what? Length is equal to 2 into x, that is 2x. Then they have given here area equal to 800 meters square. Since the shape of this mango groove is in which shape? It is in the rectangular shape. Therefore, what's an area of a rectangle? Area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth, right? So here I can now apply the equation. Values in this equation. Thus, I can write that area equal to 800, which is equal to length is equal to 2x into x. That is 800 equal to 2x square. Therefore, I can write this one as how? Then on rearranging, I can write this equation as 2x square minus 800 equal to 0. Then what we can do? We can convert. Again, you can take commonly 2 outside, right? That means x square minus 400 equal to 0. That is equal to how much? This 2 when taken to the opposite side, it will become x square minus 400 equal to 0 because this 0 into 2 will be equal to 0, right? General form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here if you are observing, x square is there. That means the first term is there, but this second term is missing. So I will write it there 0x minus 400 equal to 0. Therefore, from this equation, I can write my a equal to 1, b equal to 0, c equal to minus 400, right? Therefore, let me insert this in our equation. What's the value for d? b square minus 4ac, which is equal to b square equal to 0 minus 4 into 1 into minus 400. Therefore, I will get it here. What minus into minus is plus. 4 into 4 is 16. That is 1600 will be the value for the d. If d, here you can see that d is greater than 0, right? Therefore, how many roots we will have? Therefore, we will be having real root, okay? Given equation have, from here I can tell that the equation is having the real root, right? Therefore, now we need to find the value for the x. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root d divided by 2a. Here we already found the d. That is equal to minus b minus of which is equal to minus 0 plus or minus root of 1600 divided by 2a. That a is equal to how much? A equal to 1. That means here the value will become 2. Here I can write that one value will be plus root of 1600 divided by 2 and the other value will be minus root of 1600 divided by 2. Clear? Now, what's the root of 1600? I can rewrite this. The 1600 can be written in 4 into 4 into 10 into 10, right? Therefore, divided by 2. So, similarly, here also I can write in the same method. That means, what will be the value there? That is 4 into 10 divided by 2. Here, minus 4 into, minus of 4 into 10 divided by 2. Here this 2 and 2 will get cancelled and I will get 2 there. Here this one and this will get cancelled and I will get the 2. That is 10 into 2 is 20 and the other case, so I am getting 2 roots here. One is plus 20 and the other one is the minus 20. So we will reject the negative value because for a measurement like a rectangular plot like the groove and all, always the value will be the positive value. A length can never be a negative value, right? Therefore, on reject, we have to reject which part? This minus 20 will be rejected. We will take therefore x equal to 20. Why? Because rejecting x is equal to minus 20, it will never become an answer. We can never take that one here because it's a negative value. For a measurement of a length, the value will never be a negative. Now let's do the question number 4. Is the following situation possible? If to determine the present ages, sum of the ages of the two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages was 48 years. So how can we solve this one? They are telling that sum of the ages of the two friends is 20 years. If age of one friend is x years, means age of the other friend will be equal to what? 20 minus x years, right? So let the age of one friend be how much? Be x years. Therefore, age of other friend equal to how much? It will be 20 minus x years. 4 years ago. 4 years ago means what? Before 4 years. For example, currently if his age is 12 years now, means before 4 years means from the 12 I need to reduce the 4. That means his before 4 years he will be having how many years? He will be of 8 years, right? So here what they are telling that before 4 years means 4 years ago, age of first friend, it is equal to how much? It is equal to x minus 4 years. And age of second friend, it will be equal to what? Now his age is 20 minus x. That is 20. From this present age, we need to again reduce the 4. That means how much? 20 minus 4 is 16. 16 minus x years is the age of the second friend before 4 years. Okay. Then a condition is given. What's the condition given? Product of these two ages, this one and this, when multiplied together, you will get their age as 48. That means as per the given condition, we can write that x minus 4 into 16 minus x, which is equal to 48. That is x into 16 minus x minus 4 into 16 minus x equal to 48, which is equal to 16x minus x square minus 4 into 16 equal to how much? 64 minus 4 into minus x is equal to plus 4x, which is equal to 48. Now what I have to do? I need to take the x square to this side. I need to take 64 to this side. That is 16x plus 4x equal to 48 plus, when the 64 will go to that side, what will happen? 48 plus 64 plus x square, right? Which is equal to, what is 48 plus 64? It is equal to 112 plus x square. Here it will become 20x. Now I can rearrange this equation, that is x square minus 20x plus 112 equal to 0. That means I took the 20x to this side. So I can rewrite in this form. Now how to solve this equation? This is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So here a equal to what? Here a equal to 1, b equal to minus 20 and c equal to 112. That means a equal to 1, b equal to minus 20 and c equal to 112. Therefore what I can do? I can find my d now. D equal to b square minus 4ac, which is equal to minus 20 the whole square minus 4 into 1 into 112. So how much I will get? Which is equal to 400 minus 448, which is equal to minus 48. If you're checking here, you can see that as b square minus 4ac is less than 0, we can tell that what? Therefore, no roots exist, right? There are no real roots. No real roots is possible. Okay, for this equation, and hence the situation is not possible. Clear?
Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and stay connected.